When there is love, I can't wait to talk about it when things get rough. I like to walk with you when it's night. I like to be the light that's missing and remind you every minute of the future isn't written, not yet. When the heart feels heavy, we can lighten it up. If you've had enough, well, you can empty your glass and we can fill it back up. You know it's up to us to make it all up. So what you making up, I can make it up. That you could be loved no matter what. You know the only time is right now. It's right where you are. You don't need a vacation when there's nothing to escape from. Sing it, ha la 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 la, ha la 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 la. Let's all sing, ha la 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 la, laying it down. Everything is sound. Let's sing to be happy, to feel things, to communicate and be heard. We sing out to.
It gets me to feel a lot better when it gets my mood up, gets everything ready, you know. A lot more energy when I do stuff, and
overcome, my heart. At first, I have no experiment of dancing, but I decided to just break my heart. You see that God, He prepared me, so I just dance freely.
It's so fun.
yeah.
I try to not think about reality, and I just try to focus on dancing. And I don't know. I try to
I learned to be more grateful and that I should bend my heart more, because during the dance time I don't really want to pour my heart into it, but then I have to, because when I dance I want to make others happy.
Let's all sing, la 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 la, hallelujah.
So when we first performed in the YMCA, I was kind of nervous and happy.
I see the reaction. I got back. I want to keep dancing more and more.
I feel happy to perform in front of little kids. I'm so excited.
I feel excited. I cannot wait for another opportunity to dance in front of people again.
I'm really excited.
La 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 la, let's all sing, la 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 la.
I haven't prepared nothing in my heart, but I just expect the best for what I do. I want to call a lot of people to come because it's really an amazing opportunity.
I didn't prepare anything, but I hope to
And what we can do and how we can make the kids happy because of our dance. I think we can try our best for the dancing and then actually make the kids at the camp have fun while dancing as well.